Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule live on TikTok mobile. So on TikTok you need to have, and the app is required some conditions. It's not the same as Instagram. So in Instagram, even if you have no conditions, you will be able to, or you will be allowed to stream on the Instagram platform. But on TikTok, you need to be at least 80 years old and you need to have 1,000 or more followers. And yeah, so if you have these conditions, what you want to do is to go into your profile from the bottom right corner, tap on it. I don't have these conditions, so I will just show you an example of how you can do that. So for these people, I want you just to go on the top right corner, tap on this three horizontal lines. Alright, so once you tap on them, some options appear to you. So what you want to do is to go into the last one, settings and privacy, tap on it. And right here, as you can see, and the contents and display, on display we have live right here option. So let's go into live, and right here I want to go into live events. And yeah, so for the ones that have the conditions that I already talked about, you will have a schedule a meeting or schedule an event right here, or schedule a live event literally right here. So you can just tap on it and create or schedule a live event on TikTok. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Goodbye.